Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete my Telegram account. So if you want to delete your Telegram account, and this video is absolutely for you. So for that, without wasting time, let's get started. Simply open up your Telegram application. So after opening up your Telegram application, simply click on the top left corner of the horizontal lines. So after clicking on that, just simply click on settings. So after simply clicking on settings, now you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find Telegram FAQ. So you have to just simply click on the second last option. So after clicking on that, now it will review you all of the question pages. So here you have to just simply select delete your Telegram account. So I'm just scrolling down. Here you will be able to see in the your account section, you will be able to see the delete your Telegram account, which is the third last option. So you have to just simply select that third last option. So after clicking on that, now it will open up the article page. So in the first article, in the first question, how do I delete my account? Here you will be able to see that deactivation page in blue color. So you have to just simply click on that. So after clicking on that, if you are unable to find this, you guys can just simply scroll down and you will be able to find that deactivation page. So after clicking on that, it will simply open up in your phone browser. So you have to just simply just wait for a while. Now it will asking you for redirecting to browser. So here you have to just simply allow it to any browser. So after coming to that, Telegram will ask you for your OTP code, which they will send to you via email or SMS. So you have to just simply put your OTP address, and Telegram will ask you for a specific reason. You have to just simply state the issue. After that, you have to just simply click on delete my account, and your account will be deleted. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.